New into stock we have a Nissan Qashqai 1.5 dCi. It's the Acenta model. It's a two-wheel drive, 5-door, 2010 on a 10 plate. Done 85,228 miles. We have two remote keys for it here, the proper keys, proper ignition barrel. The fuel economy is pretty good for this sort of size of vehicle. 44.8 urban, 61.4 extra urban and 54.3 combined. 0 to 60 time of 12.4 seconds and a top speed of 110 miles per hour. I'll just take you for a quick drive in it. Great car these, very good seller. This is finished in metallic blue and has the Acenta trim, Bluetooth hands-free. We've got, let me just see, there we go, height and reach adjustable multifunction steering wheel, and you've also got power folding door mirrors, alloy wheels, a nice big boot. The rear seats fold down in a 60/40 configuration. The rear load cover, plenty of room, nice and high up off the ground. You see everything that's going on. It's got good ground clearance as well, reasonably soft suspension, so it's a nice comfortable ride. Switch the headlights off there. Six-speed gearbox. We've got cup holders here. In there's an extra room for a little flask. There's also auxiliary in there, I think. Got a charging point for your phone here. It just flicks off. Try and remember to check the cruise control when we get on the motorway, but cruise control is on the right hand side here. Your telephone controls and your volume control, and also your source button to change between CD and radio is just here on the left hand side of the steering wheel. Very nice condition in here, kind of almost like corduroy centre panel seat. I'm not sure many people will remember corduroy, but at once it was all the rage. Nice insets to the steering wheel, matching on the door handles here. I've not got the service history with me. I will try and remember to put it into the description, but it was last serviced at 82,000 miles. Nissans always have a really nice gearbox. It's, I think probably my two favourite gearboxes, manual anyway, are Nissans and Fords. So nice smooth gear change, great box. Your instrument display on the left hand side, a rev counter. In the rev counter there's a coolant temperature and also your light information display, tells you what lights you've got on. So just struggling at the moment. that's off, sorry. Got my headlights on. Just showing fuel economy there in the centre at the moment. Wipers are on the right. Just go up the motorway now. They are a really nice drive, and there's plenty of room in the back as well. Air conditioning, I'll just check that, make sure that's working, and certainly the fan is. It's definitely colder air coming out. It's not that warm outside today, but that seems to be working fine. All the windows working great. Your electric door mirror switch is here. Yep, up, down, that's all working. Flick the switch across and that's working too. Just try and get up to 70. There we go, 70 miles an hour in sixth. It's about 2,200 revs. Speed limiter, cruise control set. Yeah, cruise is working good as well. Just get past this lorry. So there we are at 70. Set the cruise. 2,250 revs at 70 miles an hour, and cruise is working fine too. Car's only just come in, and again, it's surprising how many people drive around with no water in the washer bottle. So it's not raining hard enough to warrant wipers, and I can't tell whether they're okay or not. We do this test drive before the cars are checked over in the workshop, just to see if we can highlight anything that would not be picked up on a ramp test and pre-delivery inspection. So we do probably a 10 mile drive, make sure everything's up to working temperature and there's no leaks when we get back to the garage, and the car's not pulling or shaking or any knocks, bangs, vibrations. It is very rare to find anything wrong with Nissans, to be fair. Oh, that's really good. Seats are nice and comfortable as well. It's kind of got it's in between cloth and Alcantara. It's a nice feel to it, and looks pretty classy. Still not wet enough for wipers. A height adjustable seat as well, that kind of jacks up on the right hand side with a big lever. Christor, good number there. Saw another one here this morning, Troy's T20YYS. These builders are big fans of personalised number plates. Nice easy drive. That's it.